Welcome to the world of Happy Baby Organics. In this video, we will explore how organic baby food can significantly impact your child's nutrition and health. One key feature of Happy Baby Organics is their clearly crafted transparency. You can visually appreciate the vibrant colors of each recipe, ensuring nutritious and delicious meals for your little one. Designed specifically for stage 2 eaters, these baby food pouches present smooth blends of fruits and veggies that cater to your baby's evolving taste buds, providing a healthy foundation. With a remarkable 4.7-star rating from over 3,800 reviews, Happy Baby Organics is celebrated for its delightful textures, flavors, and travel-friendly convenience. In summary, Happy Baby Organics offers vital nutrition with certified organic ingredients. It's an excellent choice for supporting your baby's growth and well-being. Are you ready to nourish your little one with Happy Baby Organics? Don't forget to check the link in the description and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.